Hey there! If you're running into the automation failed error on your iPhone, I totally get how annoying that can be. Automations are supposed to make our lives easier, right? This error usually pops up due to some misconfigured settings, permission issues, or even some glitches in the Shortcuts app. But don't worry, I've got some straightforward steps for you to troubleshoot and hopefully fix the problem. Solution 1. Check automation triggers. First, open up the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then tap on the Automation tab at the bottom. Next, select the automation that's giving you trouble. Make sure that the trigger settings are correct and that all the necessary conditions are in place. Finally, verify whether the automation is set to run without asking for confirmation. Solution 2. Review permissions. Now head over to Settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll down a bit. Tap on Apps. Then scroll down again and tap on Shortcuts. Make sure that all relevant permissions are granted, including iCloud sync and private sharing access that your automation needs. Solution 3. Offload and restart the Shortcuts app. Open Settings on your iPhone once more, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage and find Shortcuts in the list of apps. Now tap on Offload app. This action clears the app's cache and data without deleting it. After that, tap Reinstall app to get a fresh version of the app back. Next, open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Find the Shortcuts app and swipe it up to close it. Restart your iPhone. Finally, reopen the app and give your automation another go. Solution 4. Reset automation. Open the Shortcuts app again. Tap on the Automation tab. Delete the failing automation by swiping left on it and tapping Delete. Then recreate the automation from scratch to ensure all your settings are nice and fresh. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving that pesky automation failed error on your iPhone. If you're still facing issues after all this, consider reaching out to Apple support for a helping hand. You've got this.